In faith, guys, so we're going to transplant this ginger here, all of these pots, and I've already taken it out, one out of this pot. It's hard to do. Didn't bring my tripod out here, but I was like, oh, I should record this. So this was in this pot. We shook it around and broke it, and I might break this one in half so I can have two. And yeah. Okay, I tried to mount this up as best I could, so we're gonna, what looks like it's not, oh, well, that piece broke off, so I guess I keep these two together there. So how I'm, show you quickly how I'm getting them out of the pots. So I'm squeezing them, let it drop out, shaking it, the dirt off, till I get to the ginger, which is a big piece here, roots as you can see. And then I'm definitely going to try to see, can I break or not this piece from that piece. Yep. And so that would be one plant. And well, that one broke on its own, so we'll leave that attached. And that's how we're gonna plant them. So instead of me planting the whole 5-inch pots in the soil, I now have 1, 2, 3. That one's gonna have 2, 4, 5, 6 so far, and that just 2 pots that we've done. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, this is how many I've gotten down out of those 2 pots I showed you. And got to go fill up down there. And I'm gonna have to take another row. That's how much we have left to go. Okay, so we're picking back up from where we were with yesterday's ginger video vlogging, showing you how we're planting our ginger. And I was trying to find something cute because I wanted the natural hair brand, the Do. She has a comb and she has the mic on, and I said I'm gonna do that with something in the garden. And so I was like, what can I use? But anywho, so I decided to pick this radish and use it as a mic. And also I saw today, what's her name, More Than Farmers, Michelle, I think that's her name, using it, and I was like, I didn't want to go because I said, well, I could do it asparagus, and I saw she had asparagus, so I said I'm gonna do something different. But anyway, shout out to them. And I know this is not about hair, but do you guys use the Do products? I enjoy them on my hair. And do you guys watch More Than Farmers? Okay, anywho, back to the ginger planting we go. The goal is to get them all in, and hopefully we have ginger in about 5 months, maybe 6. I don't know. It's been growing since January, February, but hasn't been able to get outside because of the cold snaps. So here we are. Okay, so we just finished up all the ginger there. Put some leaves down. Now I actually got my measuring stick, so I didn't take up the whole row this time. So that is it. Let's see how well they do for the short season we still have left, since we weren't able to get them out back in April when I wanted to. So that's it for the ginger. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.